Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup machine learning datasets with Hugging Face Datasets. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, ensure you have the required libraries installed. Open your terminal or command prompt. Type pip install datasets to install the Hugging Face Datasets library. Next, import the necessary libraries in your Python script. Write from datasets import load_dataset to load datasets from Hugging Face. Decide on the dataset you want to backup. For example, you can use the load_dataset function with the dataset name as an argument. Execute the command dataset equals load_dataset, your _dataset name, replacing your _dataset name. After loading the dataset, check its structure by printing dataset. This will help you understand the data format and available splits. Choose the split you are interested in, such as train or test. Now, to back up the dataset, start by saving it to a local directory. Use the command dataset train.to_csv, train_dataset_backup.csv. This will create a CSV file of the training dataset. If you need to back up multiple splits, repeat the command for each split. For example, use dataset test.to_csv, test_dataset_backup.csv for the test split. Alternatively, you can save the dataset in a different format. You can use dataset train.to_json, train_dataset_backup.json to save it as a JSON file. To keep everything organized, consider creating a dedicated folder for your backups. Use import OS to work with directories in Python. Create a directory called dataset_backups with os.makers, dataset_backups, exist_ok equals true. Then save your datasets directly into this folder by adjusting the file paths. For example, dataset train.to_csv, dataset_backup/train_dataset. Finally, verify that your backups were created successfully. Check the specified directories to confirm all files are present. This completes the process of backing up machine learning datasets with Hugging Face Datasets. Now you have a reliable way to secure your datasets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.